In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio file to Google Forms. By the end, your form will include a clear, clickable link that lets respondents listen to your audio without any confusion. First, go to your Drive. We're using Google Drive because Google Forms doesn't let you embed audio directly. Instead, we'll host the file in Drive and share a link to it. Make sure your audio file is already saved in Drive so you can access it easily. If you see multiple versions, pick the final one you want people to hear. Next, click the audio file to open it, and at the top, click the Share icon. This is the small icon that looks like a person with a plus sign or a share arrow in the top right area. Opening the sharing panel is important because, by default, many files are restricted and only visible to you. If you try to link a restricted file in your form, your respondents will hit a permission wall and won't be able to listen. Now, make it anyone with the link, then copy the link. In the sharing settings, change the access from restricted to anyone with the link, and make sure the role is set to viewer. This means anyone who clicks your link can open and play the audio in their browser without signing in. If you're using a school or work account and only people in your organization should listen, you can keep it limited to your domain. But remember, people outside your organization won't be able to access it. Once the access is set correctly, click Copy Link so it's ready to paste. Then go to your Google form. Open the form where you want to place the audio. You can add the link in a question, in a description, or at the top of the form. Anywhere that supports text entry will work. Finally, click the Insert Link icon, paste the link, type the text you want to display, and click OK. In the text toolbar, look for the chain link icon. Click it, paste the link you copied from Drive, and then write a clear label like Listen to the audio. This keeps your form tidy and user-friendly instead of exposing a long URL. Click OK to apply. Your link is now active, and respondents can click it to open the audio in a new tab and play it. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your Drive sharing set to anyone with the link if you want broad access, and use concise, clear link text so respondents know exactly what to do. If someone reports they can't open the file, double-check the sharing setting first. It's almost always the cause. And that's it. You've successfully added an audio file to Google Forms using a Drive link.